Hey guys, it's Abby, and today I have two of my favorite subscriptions to show you guys. I don't know if I'm going to put this video up before my other video that I just made, or I'm going to put this one up today, but before I even start my unboxing, I just want to apologize for the lack of videos lately. Sorry, my eyes are watering. For the lack of videos, my month has been quite crazy. Anyway, we're going to unbox the Etoile box first, and this is my favorite box. I love this so much. It is a lifestyle box, and it's a lifestyle boutique box. She sends all sorts of different boutique items to your door, and I love it. She does send me this for review. So this is a $39.99 box, and I absolutely love it so much. I just love this box so much. And let's open it up. The Etoile box, boutique style box. This is a self-care September. Oh, when you open up the box, it looks like this. Look how cute the tissue paper is. Isn't that so cute? It's stars. I love it. Okay, so, all right, so the first thing is this big box inside the box, and it says Lazoo. It's a, oh, candle and skin balm. Yes. Okay. I just did a little happy shake. All right. This duo is a perfect at-home spa set designed to nourish your skin and help you relax and unwind from a busy day. Each set comes from 2 Lazoo treatments and our magic application wand. On one side of each of the treatments is an aromatherapy candle, and on the other side is our clean, fragrance-free, moisturizing skin balm filled with enriched vitamins and anti-aging ingredients, including vitamin C, something, I don't know how to pronounce that, vitamin E, and 7 different plant oils to leave your skin beautiful and glowing. Lazoo skincare. You guys, how beautiful. So here we have this little wandish thing to apply your product, and then the candle is on one side, and then you have this balm on the other, and I'm assuming it like warms up. How cute. It smells lovely. I love the little candle. It's so cute. It's kind of odd if you think about it. Like, yeah, ooh, this one smells really good. Not that the other one doesn't, but this one, I don't know what the scent is, but it smells lovely. Oh, okay. Citrus, sandalwood, amber, and patchouli. How funny. I love the scent patchouli. I mean, I love patchouli as well, but I love amber, and that's what I picked up on. It smells so good. And this one is mandarin, pear, rose, and light musk. It still smells wonderful, but not as good as this one. So, all right, so we got these 2 little balms and candles. Oh my goodness, I'm so excited. I just want to feel the balm real quick. I was going to say oily, but it's not. It's very thin. It's a very, very thin balm. Okay. All right. This is what an amazing, cute little idea. I love it. I'm like fascinated with it. I'm totally going to light a candle and put this all over my body. Probably feel really good. Then we have this, and this is a hair turban. And this says, help tame your mane with one of these super absorbent hair turbans. These luxuriously soft microfiber hair towels are gentle on your skin and hair. The hair towel accommodates all hair lengths while providing comfort during your post-shower routine. Prep obsessed. Oh my goodness, that's cute. So here we go. I've never learned how to put these on my head. It's time for me to learn. Really cute. Love the pattern. Love the color. Super duper pretty. Super duper pretty. Okay, the next thing is this, and this is the Girl Meets Dirt Salted Apple Caramel. What? Preserves for sweet and savory pairings. Ooh. Okay. So, spoon preserves, more like a traditional jam, have a softer set than our cutting preserves, but with lots of great textures, super fruit forward. These are made using classic French techniques, including a long soak to draw out the most from the fruit's juices. They are equally at home on toast, dessert, cheese, or straight from the spoon. Girl Meets Dirt. Let's see. I really can't smell it. There we go. I'll totally eat this. I'll eat this on bread for sure. I can't smell it. I mean, I can't even taste it. Maybe if I get it bigger. I'm sure it's delicious. I'm sure it's absolutely delicious. I just can't taste it for some reason. Maybe I need to put it like on bread or, you know, something. Okay, the next thing is this. Gratitude cards, may you know joy. This beautiful mini deck of 42 cards offers simple inspiration to help people cultivate a daily gratitude practice. Okay, so we have gratitude cards. These are really good. I actually have some in my daughter's room because she has anxiety, and when she first started school this year, I made her a gratitude like paper to put on her wall that lists off things for her to be, for her, you know, like for her to look at and read, like, I am okay, you know, affirmation. And then I gave her some of these as well. So I am grateful for what is. I am grateful for stillness. These are really pretty and really cute. The back of the cards look like that. Really cute. Okay. And the last but not least is this. And this is Aurora Face Oil. Superfood, Luminous Ample, Sea Greens, and Cannabis Sativa Hemp. Soothing ethereal glow of the Aurora Borealis sweeping across the sky, captured in a bottle. Give your face illuminating superfood nutrition with harmonizing sea greens and cannabis sativa oil and pacifying grapeseed oil and neem seed extract. I actually think I have this. Let me just see the color and I'll tell you if I do. Yes, I have this. I actually really like these products. We've gotten them in BoxyCharm and Ipsy. They are the Earth Harbor products. They're really good. They have really great serums. This is a face oil. I'll totally use it. Okay. And that is it for the box for this month. All right, so let me give you a real quick recap. We got these 2 candles and balms with this adorable wand. If I can get the wand out. Hold on. This adorable wand right here. I mean, how cute. Super cute. I've never gotten something like this in a box before. It's amazing. I'm super excited about it. I received the affirmation cards, the salted apple caramel preserves, which I cannot wait to like dig in and actually taste it. The face oil by Earth Harbor, the hair turban for when you get out of the shower. I thought it was really good. I love this box. I think it's really great. I think you get stuff that you don't normally get in other boxes. I love that it's a boutique lifestyle subscription because it's just wonderful. And I'm just so thankful she sends it to me every month. It's just such a great box. It's so adorable, so beautiful. It's such a beautiful, beautiful box. When you open it up, it is absolutely beautiful. You're just like, wow, everything in here is beautiful. All right, guys, I'll make sure to link the Etoile box in my description box down below so you can go check it out for yourself. And now let's open my last box. So the Naked Beauty box is $35.99 a month, and you get full-size, non-toxic, vegan, and cruelty-free skincare products, and they're amazing. You get up to $150 worth of the products every month, and they're hand-selected to make sure that you will enjoy what you get. It did have a little bit of a rough time in the mail this month, but I'm sure everything is fine, and if not, they will make good on it. They do send me this for review every month, so let's open it up. I love this box. If they decided not to send it to me anymore, I would pay for it. It is such a great box. I have found some of the most amazing products that I've ever used in this box. I use the Ray Charché products every single night and morning. They are my absolute favorite serums to use. Okay, so it definitely got wet in the box. Maybe it was stuck in the rain or something. I'm not really sure. So let's hope that everything's fine in there. All right, let's begin. Okay, so the first thing I'm pulling out is the pillow spray. It's from Molly with Love Sleeping Beauty Pillow Spray. And it says, The essential oils in this 1 ounce therapeutic grade linen spray are like Ambien in a bottle. Spritz your pillows and bed sheets and yourself with this pillow spray fragrance to drift off to peaceful slumber. Let me see. I don't think it's very strong. Like, it doesn't have a very strong scent to it. I can't tell you what it smells like, but I don't really spray anything on my pillows because I feel like I get headaches really easily when I smell scents. Okay, the next thing is this, and this is the Eucalyptus Mint Loofah soap. Oh, I love these, guys. These are so great. It's a loofah with soap on it, and these are, I love them. I'm like obsessed with these. I'm so glad to have another one. Oh, the spray costs $10. This costs $8. Lightly infused with 100% essential oils, these double butter soaps create a calming, relaxing atmosphere and stress-relieving bath experience. And you just use it like a regular soap. It just has a loofah to help exfoliate. These are so good. Okay, I do see this right here, so I'm assuming this is for a mask. Yeah. Okay, so we have a mask right here, and this is the Isabella's Clearly Mask. It's a clarifying charcoal face mask with hyaluronic acid, DMAE, and green tea. So here is the brush right here. And then here is the mask. I've never used a mask brush, just to be real with you guys. I never have. I've just always put them on with my fingers. Okay. This is a highly moisturizing mask formulated with activated charcoal to deeply clarify, hydrate, and moisturize skin. It's loaded with incredibly rich ingredients. The mask will leave your skin feeling soft, hydrated, and supple. Okay. And this is $23. Okay, then we have this, and this is a rose quartz face roller. It retails for $37. It's by the Speak Collective. I have one of these already, so I'm definitely not going to use this one, but I'll give it to a family member. It's a gentle lymphatic massage will help to reduce puffiness and improve blood circulation to stimulate collagen reproduction. Rose quartz, a stone of the heart, is an important gemstone for healing. It reduces stress and opens up the heart chakra to unconditional love and positive energy. So it's really, oh, I probably wasn't showing you guys, huh? It's actually really beautiful. That is super pretty. Okay, and the last but not least is, I don't know how much this is because it blurred out that it got wet, so the price is missing. Oop, I just threw it. This is a lip treatment kit, 3 ships. There's a vanilla exfoliator and a buttercream hydrating lip mask. This kit is perfect for people who have dry and flaky lips and want a restorative, nourishing treatment. If you find yourself applying lip balm multiple times a day and still feeling dry lips by the end of the day, your Buttercream Hydrating Lip Mask supports the development of new skin cells for dry, dehydrated, or cracked lips. Find sugar crystals in your vanilla lip exfoliator, remove skin flakes, and make lips look plump and full. So, I love anything to do with your lips. I've noticed that I've been getting like wrinkles right here on the side of my lips, and I think it's because I go like this all the time, or like this. It's a hard habit to break. Okay, so here's the vanilla exfoliator. And then this is the Buttercream Hydrating Lip Mask. I love buttercream icing. So good. Wonder if it smells like it. No, this one doesn't have a scent to it, and the other one didn't have a scent either, but I'm assuming that maybe it's because my nose is all stuffy that I don't know the actual scent to it. So for the month of September 2021, for the Naked Beauty box, we've received the lip treatment kit with the lip mask and the lip exfoliator. We've received the we received the pillow spray, the loofah soap, the Rose Quartz facial roller and the face mask right here with the face mask brush. I love this box. I thought they did really great this month as normal. They always do super good. I just love this box. I love it because I find products that I'll actually use rather than products that I'll like put aside and not use them. So that's why I really like the box. But yeah, that is it for today, guys. I'll make sure to link the Etoile box and the Naked Beauty box in my description box down below so you can go check it out for yourself. And I hope you guys are doing really good. Stay healthy, stay kind, and that is it for today. I'm sorry it was a little bit awkward and weird. I haven't filmed in a while and we're just not feeling well in the house, but I wanted to make sure that I had some videos go up at the end of the month. So, and I also feel bad when companies send me their boxes and then I don't unbox them. I feel guilty. So I wanted to make sure I got the boxes up and I did it for them. So, all right, that is it. I love you guys so much. I've missed you. And let me know in the comments below how you guys are doing. And I love you guys so, so much. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Subscribe if you haven't already. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.